Welcome back to Intro to Python video series. Today we're going to be talking about arithmetic and compound operators. Arithmetic operators are a way to make Python do calculations. As shown here in Replit, we have a number of print statements that include these operators. And first off, we're going to talk about the addition operator, which is signified by plus symbol, the subtraction operator, which is a minus, an asterisk signifies multiplication, and a forward slash signifies division. And this symbol, which is like the percent symbol, is what's known as a modulus. And modulus is essentially a way of saying what is x divided by y and get the remainder. So 3 divided by 2 is 1, remainder 1, so that's why it shows 1. Exponent is not the tick symbol, which is like the upward tick. This is what's known as a caret symbol, but this is actually a bitwise operator, and this is a bitwise XOR, and people mistake it for exponent, but really it's totally different. So how to exponent? It is simply double multiplication symbol, and earlier I ran white, race to X. Yeah, this is what's supposed to be. As you can see, that is not supposed to be commutative. So it's always x raised to the y. And we're going to be talking about compound operators, which combine both assignment operator and whatever else operator that requires like a calculation. So you can do it with bitwise, but you can also do it with, most of the time you do it with arithmetic. So right here we have a compound arithmetic operator, which we add 1 and we set back x to that new value, which is 4. And then we use a multiplication compound operator, which multiplies that by 2 and 8.